Srimati Ambujam Krishna song again. So this is also not a Krishna song, this is a Rama song again. I want to say a few words about Srimati Ambujam Krishna. Actually, thanks to Mama, I went ahead and who are the women composers. I picked up a few and then I decided to go with Srimati Ambujam Krishna's song. So she was born into an affluent family, like you said, and she was a daughter of an advocate based in Madurai. She learned music from her very young age, and she has composed 600 kritis, and they have been published in 2 volumes called Geeta Mani Pravalam. So she has composed more than 600 kritis, and she's written in all languages like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Sanskrit. She's also written in languages called Mani Pravalam style, which is a combination of Tamil and Sanskrit. So she has composed in one song. She also made that song into multiple languages within the same song. So she's done a lot of kritis like that. Interesting fact, which thanks to Wikipedia, I found out, is that she was married into the TVS Sundaram Iyengar family. So she was the daughter-in-law of TV's sons, that family. She was the daughter-in-law of TV Sundaram Iyengar, and she was married to the eldest son called T.S. Krishna. And their son is currently the chairman of Sundaram Fasteners and the chairman of Sundaram Group, TVS Sundaram Group. So she did not just stay with the limelight around her, but she also created limelight for herself by writing so many kritis, and she is standing on her own, women, environment. She stood. She created her own empowerment. So very happy to sing her song here. This song is called Aravinda Padamalar. This is also about Sri Rama, and it's in the Raga Kapi. Time for Kapi, I think so. Raga Kapi and Talam is Adi. Aravinda Padamalar Nogumo, Aravinda Padamalar Nogumo, Undran Aravinda Padamalar Nogumo, Undran Aravinda Padamalar Nogumo, அடிமையன கிறங்கி ஆட்கொள்ள வந்தீடில் அரவிந்த பதமலர் நோகுமோ, அடிமையன கிறங்கி ஆட்கொள்ள வந்தீடில் அரவிந்த பதமலர் நோகுமோ, அடிமையன அரவிந்த பதமலர் நோகுமோ, அடிமையன கிறங்கி ஆட்கொள்ள வந்திடில் அரவிந்த பதமலர் நோகுமோ. ஓ ஓ குரல் வடிவாய் வந்து ஈரேழுலகளந்தாய், குரல் வடிவாய் வந்து ஈரேழுலகளந்தாய், சரணமதால் கண்ணி சாபமும் தீர்த்தாய், குரல் வடிவாய் வந்து ஈரேழுலகளந்தாய், சரணமதால் கண்ணி சாபமும் தீர்த்தாய், அரவ கொடியோனிடம் ஐவருக்காக சென்றாய், அரவ கொடியோனிடம் ஐவருக்காக சென்றாய், கருணாநிதி உன் திருநாமம் சொல்லி கனிந்து மெய்யுருகிட அழைத்திடும் எனக்கெனில் அரவிந்த பதமலர் நோகுமோ, கருணாநிதி உன் திருநாமம் சொல்லி கனிந்து மெய்யுருகிட அழைத்திடும் எனக்கெனில் அரவிந்த பதமலர்